Okay, this is also quite amazing today. On the 14th of July 2025 with 6 here. What's the address here?
Marjatie 5.
Marjatie 5 in Heinola, Finland. That's like the lefty region. Built in 1969. This is in British 17241. Two rights.
Yeah.
There are some fan sounds here.
Yeah.
Ah.
Inspected by Kone, inspected, maintained by Kone.
Oh yeah, I said it in Finnish, let's go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Somebody was coming.
Yeah.
But I exclaimed.
Yeah.
Weird sounds.
Yeah.
Or maybe he went to the stairs.
Yeah. And another one is coming, but they are not going to use the elevator. That's